Well, as you can tell, it's midnight. Not quite, but almost there. I'm out here working. Last night I posted a video that was a faceless video on this channel. So for those you people that don't know what a faceless channel is, or a faceless video, the last video I posted, I'm going to try to put it either up here or over there. It'll be up here somewhere. Dealt with the YouTube algorithm and how to use it, how to get the most out of it. So if you have not seen that video, one of these up here at the end of this video will show you that video. Click on it, go watch it. It's a totally faceless video. This is what we're doing out here. This is what I'm doing on my other channels. This video was not edited. I could have edited. There were some scenes in it that I could have taken out. I didn't do it. I wanted to show a completely AI generated script, video, and everything dealing with the algorithm on YouTube. So it can explain it better than I can and break it down for you. So watch that video. If you don't know about the algorithm and how it works, this video will explain it. And like I say, it was just AI generated with ChatGPT, told it what I was wanting to do. ChatGPT gave me a title for it that I could use to get started. I took it over to VidIQ. VidIQ completely did the entire video for me. And I've told you about this. And once you get it uploaded, VidIQ is going to do the rest for you. It'll add your description. It'll help you right through everything. And then start telling you how well it's doing on the internet. So go look at that video. If there's something there that you can use, some knowledge, I feel better for it. And that's all this channel is for. And I told you, I lied to you. I said I was never going to put a faceless video on this channel, but I figured I needed to show how easy it was. It took less time to do the script, the video, the idea, the video, everything. It took less time to do that than it did to upload it. That's how simple this is. Do one, do another one, do another one, do another. Upload you know, you can do 4 or 5 of those a night. Very simple. And we're out here to help you. If I can help you, just leave a comment down there. Ask me a question on what I'm doing or what did I use first or wherever. And I will try to get back to you and try to tell you where to look. I'm not, like I've said, I am just a simple guy. I'm a guy out here that's doing this, and all I'm doing on this channel is trying to show people how easy it is, how fast you can do a video. Pick out that niche, figure it out. And I've told you about Matt. I'm going to tell you about Matt a lot, because Matt right now, as far as I'm concerned, I've watched a lot of people explaining this. And I'm out here at night right now talking to you. I've watched a lot of people explain how to do this. Matt, Make Money Matt, is doing it the best I've seen. There's a course I was just watching a minute ago, a new video he's got out right now. He's a wealth of knowledge. And all I'm trying to do is just, on this simple channel, is tell you what I'm using, how fast it can be done. Like I say, that video that was done last night, I did it last night after I got home. And I did it within a matter of 10 minutes. It was in the works. All I had to do was start the upload. And once I started that, it took a little time to get the video up. But that's a simple way of showing how simple this is. Go look at that video. Watch the entire thing. If you go over and click on that video, watch the entire thing, because there's information all the way through. Get out your pencil and paper. Make notes. Back it up. Do what you got to do to write this stuff down and see how easy this really is. It's going to explain the algorithm to you and how it's working and how you can make it work for you. So use that and use Matt as your guiding light, and away you go. And I'm going to keep harping on it. This is not that hard to do. It's a simple way of doing things. And if you get started on it and see the growth, I mean, that video I posted last night, 10:30, 11 o'clock Eastern time in the United States. This morning when I woke up, it already had 20 views. Just that one video on this channel. I don't know. Like I say, this channel is not, I didn't create it with the idea I'm going to make money off this channel. I created this channel with the idea I'm going to tell people how I'm using YouTube, how it's working for me. And if you just take my advice and the little steps that I can give you to get started on, and I've told you about the big three to me, and that's, well, 4 counting ChatGPT. And the links of this stuff is down below. Click on it, set it up. If you're interested, if you're thinking about doing YouTube, you can't help but use what I've given you down below. It's the simplest way I know of to get started and to see progress right away. So don't hesitate. Get off that couch, as I've told you before. This can get to be fun, and it is fun. I got a smile on my face. This is, and I'm gonna harp on it. It's simple. It's not that hard to do. Just do it. If you're interested in making some extra money, if you're interested in getting some things taken care of that you need to get taken care of. Now I got a little light down here below me. It's casting this light up on me because I'm doing this at night. I've never done a video live like this, face video at night. And so anyway, you got to do what you got to do out here. I'm still out here working. I'm still out here plugging along till my first checks start coming in. And I'm a week old on this channel. Tomorrow will be the day I posted, or 1 week when I posted the first videos on this channel. This is fun. This is not that hard to do. I'm just waiting for the rewards to start coming in, and I'm going to keep plucking away. I'm going to do my 30 videos on this channel this month. That was my goal. I planned on, when I did the first videos and upload them, that I was going to do it at the first of the month. That's what I did. I waited until the first to start this channel, actually loading up videos. And I can already see I'm having fun with this, just on this one. And I'll may show you what's happening on the others, but I don't want to influence the others. I want to see what they're going to do without me trying to tell people, hey, go check this out. I'm not going to do that. Not right away. I'm going to be as simple as I can on this channel. But last night I did post a video. Go look at it. It's going to show you that was done literally in 10 minutes with ChatGPT and just in video. 10 minutes. Video is complete. Upload took a little longer. It was a longer video. It took a little long. I think it was right at 54 minutes, something like that, to load up last night. I posted it. And like I say, at 10:30, 11 o'clock last night, I woke up this morning, there had already been 20 views on it. 1 subscriber, off of that channel come through. So, this channel here has not got caught up in the algorithm yet. All right. Once you get that 20, once you get that 30, once you get enough videos on, YouTube will see that you're a serious contender to make it on their system. You're not just someone that's posting a couple videos and walking away from it. You're someone that's out here trying to do something with it. And this, with it being so simple right now with AI, you can't just not try it. Pick you out that niche. Pick you out something you want to talk about. Go for it. Get up off that couch. Get off that tree stump. I've said that several times, and I'm going to keep on singing it. If you're thinking about doing YouTube, this is the easiest time to get started. It's a new year. Get yourself into it if you're wanting to make some extra money. If that's all, if you're just using YouTube just for entertainment, that's what I've been doing for years. I've had a YouTube account, got 20 some years now. As long as YouTube's been out, I've had it, and I use it basically for my music. I have a music collection on YouTube that is just astronomical. I used to be a DJ on the radio. I've never said that, but I used to be a DJ on the radio, and I have quite a in-depth music collection, and that's all I've ever used YouTube for until, I guess, a year or so ago, 2 years ago. I did a little bit of blogging. I tried a channel. I tried to do a little bit, but I really wasn't thinking about it the way I do now. And if you think about it right, this is some of the easiest money you can make. All you got to do is just do it. And with AI now, in the last year or so, the way it's come along, the way it's still coming along, there are so many apps out there right now that do a lot of the same things. But, I have found the ones that work for me, and they're not costing a whole lot. Now, last night I did use something I've not used before to do my thumbnails with. Now, I can do all of that right in video, but I tried out Canva last night. And Canva last night did some thumbnails for me that I really liked. And so right now I'm going to use a little bit of the Canva product, their app, their website, because it did some really great thumbnails. And I was able to go right into them and edit them and do everything right there on the spot. It's the same thing I could have done with the video that I posted last night. With that video last night that I posted, there is a system when you do it in video, and it creates the video for you. After it's done, when it previews it to you, you can click on edit right there on the spot and stop it. And at that point, it'll bring up the script. It'll bring up the music. It'll get it. And last night when they first did it, the music was a little loud on there. So all I did was said lower the. I typed right into the little section there, lower the volume. It lowered the volume on the music right down for me. So if I wanted to edit out a scene, if I didn't like a picture there or something right where I stopped it at, I can click on it. Click on generate. It'll generate me more pictures similar to that, or a video actually in that part of the video. It'll give it to you, and all you gotta do is say change it to this one, and just click on it. It'll change it right in there for you. Click on generate, and it's going to regenerate that portion of the video for you, and you're done. Just like that, all you have to do is click on and upload, download it to the computer, upload it right straight to YouTube. And I'm a simple guy, like I say. I come across sometimes as being a very simple person. That's because I am. But if I can do it at over 70, anybody should be able to do what I'm doing. Just do it. If you're interested. If you're interested in making some extra money, some side money, this is a great way to do it, and without costing you a whole lot to do this. Just get up and go do it. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go with that one. I just want to explain the video from last night. Now, it should be popping up here in the end, and you can see the thumbnail's not like any of the other thumbnails. It's different. And just go look at it. It's going to tell you all about the algorithm, and understand this was completely done by AI. I had nothing else to do with it. I didn't want to edit it. I wanted to show a raw, uncut, unedited what AI can do. And that's what that video was all about last night. Go look at it. Enjoy. All right. It's going to talk about the algorithm for you. It's going to explain it in ways that I think you might understand. But watch to the end. Make sure you do that, because there's good stuff all the way through. Get you a pencil and paper, a pad. Write some of this down, because the information, or come back and watch it again. Write a little bit down, come back and watch it again, and understand that AI did this, not me. This is an example of what I'm doing on some of the other channels with just regular iStock material. I didn't ask it to generate new videos. It was just available. And anyone can do this cheap, real cheap. All right. Go have fun with it. Enjoy. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. And for now, Daddy O's out.